Hello everyone, my name is Alexis Vaughn, and I am a student, a senior at Houston Christian University, and this is my professional portfolio. This is an updated video on my portfolio since I have taken the class Learning Technology and Design 4301, Learning Management Systems. And so this updated video will just be focusing on what I have done throughout this course. And so you can access this in the link in the bio to be able to view this yourself, but for now, let's go ahead and take a look into what this course was. This course was all about discovering different learning management systems, LMS. And the biggest ideas were how to create an online learning experience for diverse learners using different design principles. So I had an awesome time doing all of these things, and specifically, let's go ahead and get into what that looked like for this course. So the first thing I got to do was explore and present a learning management system, and the LMS that I chose was Google Classroom. We explored the whys, the what are the benefits. For example, this slide was why choose Google Classroom over other LMS platforms. And so it was really great to explore the why and what makes a learning management system productive dependent upon what you're using it for. Because they're all great, but they all have different benefits depending on what you're using it for. Next, I did a comparative analysis of learning management systems, and so not just focusing on one like we did here, but I chose 3 different ones, and it turns out that for specifically ministry training, which is what I chose to present on, Canvas was the best option. So that was really fun to dive into research and then realizing which LMS caters to which type of learning environments. Next, I did a project on designing an engaging online learning experience. This was essentially a lesson plan. And so I did it on the topic of worship, and I was able to still apply instructional design principles, creating a learner-centered lesson. And this was really fun for me because this is one of my passions, ministry, worship, and I got to translate everything that I've been learning into a field such as ministry. I love this degree specifically, but really this class because it really just showcases how everything I'm learning is not just for the classroom, but it's truly for any learning environment, which is in any career. And so as I am graduating and looking at different careers, this has been such an awesome degree for me to have and to dive deeper in because it's equipped me for so many different areas. Okay, lastly, I did an activity on designing a collaborative activity for online learners. And so I chose the platform Padlet, and I created a YouTube tutorial on how to use it and why it is effective and beneficial for teachers to do so. So again, this was great to improve my presentation skills and my research skills, but more importantly to figure out which type of platforms can enhance learners' engagement and just overall experience with the material. Learning should be fun, and so it was really fun researching which platforms would best do this, and so that was beautiful. And so that concludes all the assignments I did again for this class, Learning Management Systems, and overall this shaped and prepared me for the future with whatever career I go into. And so very grateful for this opportunity, and I hope you enjoyed my overview of this class and my updated portfolio. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.